Hello gardening friends, it's January 30th and I've got some New Year's gardening resolutions. The first thing I want to do is waiting actually for a little bit warmer weather, but cut down everything that's tall in here. And I like to make my garden neater next year than what it is usually. But I'm going to cut all the bushes down and all the stuff that's sticking up, that's whether it's bushes or not. I'm taking this out here. Everything that's sticking up is going to be gone, I think. And these things here, I put them on to hold up plants. And these things here, I put them out here mostly to hold up plants. So we'll keep everything neater and don't put anything out here to hold up plants, just let them fall over. And always pick up my tools more often and put things away. And this is my first year with raised beds, and I gotta say that I think next year they're gone. I haven't liked using raised beds, and I think I'm gonna go back to the way that I used to always did it for as long as I can remember gardening. I'm gonna get out my spading fork. And when I want to plant a row of something, just spade up that row just as deep as the spade and turn it over. And then rake it and hoe it. That's the biggest things right there, is keep everything picked up better. Maybe put more mulch over around the plants. But I do like a wild garden. I don't want things that look neat, because so often I see where people have big spaces between their plants and they're all cultivated, and so there's a plant and something and dirt and big space around it. That's a nice, neat, cultivated garden, which is okay if that's what you want, but that's not what I want. I want a natural garden. Oh, and this swing set that I put out in front of the house, that's gone. That's going to be right over here, I think. Right there. And I'm going to finish taking down this honeysuckle bush that I started taking down. And this hibiscus, I'm going to cut it down and then dig it up and put it out there in the flower bed. And I got two old bush cherries right here. I'm going to dig those up out of there. This is going to be for perennials right in here, I think, still. But those two bush cherries I'm digging up out of there, and they're going out in the flower bed. Then every year I'll just cut them down to the ground with the other bushes that are growing in here. Yeah, so the swing set's coming out, and I'll just mow this area here. The trumpet vine, I never saw any hummingbirds on it, and it's just a monster that keeps coming up everywhere. And the honeysuckle was nice. Maybe I'll try and transplant the honeysuckle into the flower bed. I don't know. But that's my New Year's gardening resolutions for 2025. So, okay, well, I'll talk to you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.